Hey everyone! Frost Kingdom's closed beta test is currently live. If you're playing or planning to start, these tips will help you progress faster and make better use of your time during the beta. Tip 1. Merge early and often. The most important habit is to merge your units as early and as often as possible. Merging turn weaker units into stronger ones, much faster than normal training. The quicker you merge, the faster your overall power grows. Many players hold on to low-level units for too long, which slows down their progress. Try to merge regularly so you can field stronger units in battle sooner. Tip 2. Prioritize heroes. Heroes give strong bonuses to your army, so focus on collecting and upgrading them. Even a small number of well-leveled heroes can noticeably improve your performance in fights. It's usually better to build up to 2 or 3 strong heroes first instead of spreading resources across many weak ones. Prioritize heroes that match the units you use most. Tip 3. Join a guild early. Join or create a guild as soon as possible. There's a guild ranking event happening during the CBT. The top 20 guilds will receive cross-token rewards, and guild masters get double the amount. Being in a guild with at least 5 members makes you eligible. These rewards are given after the beta ends, so joining now can give you extra value for the time you spend playing. Tip 4. Manage resources wisely. Be smart with your resources. Focus on upgrading important buildings like the castle and merging units rather than trying to upgrade everything at the same time. It's better to have fewer strong units than many weak ones. Check what you need most for merging and hero upgrades, then spend your resources on those first. Tip 5. Complete daily tasks and events. Make sure you complete daily tasks and join events while the CBT is running. These activities give extra resources and items that speed up your progress. Since the beta data resets after June 10, using this time to finish as much content as possible helps you test more of the game and prepare for launch. Tip 6. Actively join battles and guild activities. Don't just build, actually use your army. Participate in battles, guild events, and PvP when available. This helps you understand how your merged units and heroes perform in real fights. It also helps your guild rank higher in the current event. Active players usually progress faster because they earn more resources from winning battles. Pre-registration is still open. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching. If these tips help, drop a like and comment which one you're going to focus on. See you in the next one.